How to earn passive income with Honeygain. This tutorial will guide you through the process of getting started with Honeygain, an app that allows you to earn passive income effortlessly. By signing up and utilizing a special coupon code, you can maximize your earnings. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or simply want to make some extra money online, this guide will provide you with all the necessary steps to begin. To start earning with Honeygain, you first need to create an account. You can do this several ways. If Google account, click the Google sign up option and follow the prompts. If Facebook account, choose the Facebook option and log in to grant access. If email, select the email option and fill in the required information. Once you have created your account, the next step is to download the Honeygain app. This app is essential for starting your earnings. Visit honeygain.com, select the appropriate version for your device, install the app following on the screen instructions. After installing the app, you will need to log in to your Honeygain account. Open the app on your device, enter the credentials you used during account creation, follow any additional prompts to complete the login process. Now that you are logged in, you can start earning passive income by allowing Honeygain to share your internet connection. Keep the app running in the background while you use your device for other activities. Monitor your earnings through the app dashboard. Honeygain offers a straightforward way to earn passive income by sharing your internet connection. By following these steps, signing up, downloading the app, logging in, and letting the app run, you can start generating income effortlessly.